Here's part 6 of Intro to Programming. In this video, I'm going to cover reading and writing to the console. Now, we've already gone over writing to the console, such as console.writeLine, hello world, but now we're going to read from the console. And what I mean by that is capturing user input, storing that in a variable of some sort, and then using that later on in your program. So let me show you how it works. Also, this is really cool because it provides a sense of interactivity with your program, and I think you're really going to enjoy learning that. Okay, so here's how it works. So console.readLine, and that's essentially it. Right now we're not doing anything with this. Let me just run it and show you what happens if we just run it like as is. Okay, so you see that there's a blinking cursor right here. Basically, the compiler got to line number 9 and it's waiting for my input. And I can put anything I want in there, but we're not doing anything with it. So the program ends right there. So let's actually store this inside of a variable called my name equals console.readLine. So now we're capturing that user input and storing it into the variable named my name. And if we go ahead and now do a console.writeLine, I can actually print out my name. So I hit F5 to run. All right, so I'm stuck on line number 9 waiting for user input. I'm going to put Andrew, and then it's just going to print Andrew back to the console. So instead of doing that, let's actually create a little greeting. So we'll say, hey, space plus my name plus exclamation point. Go ahead and run it. Now I'm going to put Frodo, hey Frodo, so it gives a little greeting to the user. Now, I want to show you guys one more thing before we end this video. So this right here, as I've stated before, is called string concatenation, where we're actually combining, like here we're combining 3 different strings, one in the form of a variable and these other 2 strings. And instead of doing this, there's a better way to actually format this called string interpolation. Now, there's nothing wrong with this right here, but it can get pretty messy if you have a lot of addition signs and you have a lot of things you need to combine. So instead of this, we're going to do string interpolation. Now, console.writeLine, $, and then here's your double quotes where everything goes inside. And so I can say, hey, curly braces, my name, exclamation point. So what's happening here is this is treated as just a regular string or whatever you want to put in there. So is this on this side. But anything inside of these curly braces is going to be a keyword or a variable of some sort. It's going to be treated as a variable. Now, if I were to take off those curly braces, you'll see that it's just a regular my name, and it would print out my name. So if I ran this and then I type in Frodo, it's going to say, hey Frodo, and then it's going to say, hey, my name. But if I were to put those curly braces back on, run it again, and you're probably going to guess what's happening here. And then I go ahead and type out whatever name I want. Hey Frodo. Then it actually treats that as a variable instead of just the word my name. So yeah, that's reading and writing from the console, and then I showed you guys a quick little way to format your strings a little better when you're printing to the console. In the next video, we're going to cover methods, and then I'm going to give you guys a little homework assignment that if you choose to complete, excuse me, if you choose to complete, I think it'll help you learn everything we've learned so far a little bit better. And then in the next video, I'm going to cover the solution to it. So if you don't want to do it, just look at it and understand it, and then skip on to the solution. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.